doctor. In my line of work, first aid can be the difference between life and death. But you don't have to be a professional to save a life. So if you find yourself in an emergency situation, follow these safe steps. A stroke is caused by disruption of blood flow to the brain. The quicker it's treated, the less damage is done. So think fast. F is for face. A telltale sign is when part of the face droops and sight is affected. A is arms. Be aware of numbness, loss of strength, or paralysis in the arms or side of the body. S is speech. Listen out for slurred speech and confused sentences. And T is for time, because time is of the essence. If you see any of these signs, call the emergency services immediately. Lie the person down in a comfortable position and stay with them until help arrives. If you find yourself in the right place at the right time, be prepared to save a life and follow these safe steps. For more life-saving advice, visit safesteps.com.
Hi, my name is Rishi and I'm a paramedic. In my line of work, first aid can be the difference between life and death. But you don't have to be a professional to save a life. So if you find yourself in an emergency situation, follow these safe steps. In case of severe bleeding, call the emergency services immediately. Protect your hands and apply pressure directly to the wound. If an object is embedded in the wound, don't remove it. Instead, apply pressure around the injury. Help the injured person lie down and raise the affected area above the heart to slow blood flow. Keep them warm and wait for help to arrive. If you find yourself in the right place at the right time, be prepared to save a life and follow these safe steps. For more life-saving advice, visit safesteps.com.
Hi, my name is Marcelo, and I'm a lifeguard in Kuta Beach, Bali. In my line of work, first aid can be the difference between life and death. But you don't have to be a professional to save a life. So if you find yourself in emergency situations, follow these safe steps. CPR is a technique used when someone's breathing or heartbeat has
doctor. In my line of work, first aid can be the difference between life and death. But you don't have to be a professional to save a life. So if you find yourself in an emergency situation, follow these safe steps. A stroke is caused by disruption of blood flow to the brain. The quicker it's treated, the less damage is done. So think fast. F is for face. A telltale sign is when part of the face droops and sight is affected. A is arms. Be aware of numbness, loss of strength, or paralysis in the arms or side of the body. S is speech. Listen out for slurred speech and confused sentences. And T is for time, because time is of the essence. If you see any of these signs, call the emergency services immediately. Lie the person down in a comfortable position and stay with them until help arrives. If you find yourself in the right place at the right time, be prepared to save a life and follow these safe steps. For more life-saving advice, visit safesteps.com.
Hi, my name is Rishi and I'm a paramedic. In my line of work, first aid can be the difference between life and death. But you don't have to be a professional to save a life. So if you find yourself in an emergency situation, follow these Help the injured person lie down and raise the affected area above the heart to slow blood flow. Keep them warm and wait for help to arrive. If you find yourself in the right place at the right time, be prepared to save a life and follow these safe steps. For more life-saving advice, visit safesteps.com.
Hi, my name is Marcelo, and I'm a lifeguard in Kuta Beach, Bali. In my line of work, first aid can be the difference between life and death, but you don't have to be a professional to save a life. So if you find yourself in emergency situations, follow these safe steps. CPR is a technique used when someone's breathing or heartbeat has stopped. The first 10 minutes are critical. Call the emergency services and enhance only CPR. First, lay the person with their face up, tilt their head back, and check if they are breathing. If they aren't, place one hand over the other in the center of the chest. Keep your elbows straight and position your shoulders above the heel of your hands. Using your upper body weight, push down hard, 2 pounds a second to inches deep. For children, use one hand only. Don't perform mouth to mouth unless properly trained. If you find yourself in the right place at the right time, be prepared to save life and follow these safe steps. For more life-saving advice, visit safesteps.com.
And Michaels fill their Easter baskets with mix and match deals on Grand Sale Love, now through April 8th.
Hi, my name is Rishi and I'm a paramedic. In my line of work, first aid can be the difference between life and death, but you don't have to be a professional to save a life. So if you find yourself in an emergency situation, follow these safe steps. If you
Pizza por 25 contos, tá a fim de ir?
Com certeza, cara.
Tá, eu vou fazer a reserva aqui. E, eu tenho um câncer. Tu prefere sexta ou sábado? O quê? Sexta ou sábado? Não, sobre o câncer. Eu tenho câncer. Meu Deus, cara. É de família, cara, nada demais. O câncer é de família? Sim, mas por que tu tá tão preocupado? A gente é primo, cara. Não, cara, é na parte da minha mãe. Graças a Deus. Não, graças a Deus. Tá de boa, cara, relaxa. Eu posso marcar pras 8, o local fecha às 11. Beleza, cara, pode ser. Fechou, então. Putz, mano, então tua mãe tem câncer? Sim. Que merda, cara. Não, pera, ela teve câncer. Ela teve. Então ela venceu? Não, ele venceu. Ela morreu. Beleza, já reservei aqui, tá? Quando? Sexta-feira às 8, tá? Não, cara, quando ela morreu? Eu acho que foi antes de ontem. E quando que é o funeral, mano? É hoje. Pra falar a verdade, é agora. Então eu te vejo sexta às 8, ok? E Joaquim, Hugo, a gente tem que conversar, cara. A gente acabou de conversar.
To return these shoes.
Anything wrong with them?
No, I've just got so many of them at home.
Do you have the receipt?
Sure do. Here you go.
30 days exactly. Why don't I just process this return?
Cool.
Sure.
How will it affect your bird if you would have left it alone for a vacation? Can your bird know if you're a good or a bad person?
Budgies can have up to 3,000 feathers across their entire bodies. Let's give a moment of appreciation to the person whose job was to count all of them. If you pet your budgie's back, you're actually turning it on, sexually. But when budgies mate, they're used to stand on the back of one another, and this reminds them of the act. Petting them on their backs can sexually crossbreed them, so it's better to pet them around their head, legs, and belly, if they'll let you. Did you know that a few years ago, in the UK, budgies were responsible for the growth of over fields of cannabis? Budgies can actually eat cannabis seeds, and that's how it spread. For those who wonder, no, they cannot get high off of it. Did you ever see your budgie clean this? They always do this when they clean themselves, and they're actually extracting oil from the spot on their backs using their beaks.
last but not least, budgies can be gay. I actually have a full video about this topic, which you can check out right away.